See failure as data, not as misfortune. The way successful people view failure is fundamentally different, and that's what sets them apart. What is failure, really? Most people see failure as a sign of weakness, proof that they're not good enough. A full stop on the journey. But in reality, failure simply means you tried something, and the result wasn't what you expected. And the real power lies in how you interpret that result. What does it mean to see failure as data? Data is information. Feedback, clues. When you treat your failures as valuable feedback, not as emotional defeat, you turn them into powerful tools for growth. For example, if you started a business and it didn't work, you could say, I failed. Or you could say, I learned that I need to do proper market research before launching. That's seeing the failure as data. Ask yourself these 3 questions after every failure. What did I learn from this experience? How will this help me do better next time? What would I do differently moving forward? Bonus tip, write down at least 1 lesson from every setback. Over time, you'll build your own wisdom library. Why is this mindset so important? 1. You become fearless. Failure no longer means shame. It means learning. That reduces fear and increases bold action. 2. You grow faster. Every failed attempt becomes a live experiment that teaches you something theory never could. 3. You upgrade yourself. You constantly evolve into a smarter, more resilient version of yourself. 4. You detach emotionally. Instead of taking failure personally, you start analyzing it objectively, like a scientist. Shift in mindset. Failure as data. Old mindset. Growth mindset. I lost. I learned. I failed. I found a flaw in my plan. I'm not good enough. I need better strategy. I'm embarrassed. I gained experience. Why do we need this in our life? In today's fast-paced, high-pressure world, fear of failure paralyzes people. Fear of judgment kills ideas before they start. One mistake often makes people give up entirely. But if you reframe failure as feedback, you stop fearing it and start learning from it. The most successful people in the world have failed more than the average person has even tried. Final thought. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Each failure is not an end. It's a step, a lesson, a clue. If you collect the data and learn from it, you'll always be moving forward. So next time something doesn't go your way, don't say I failed. Say, I discovered what doesn't work. Now I'm 1 step closer to what does.